Alright, so as I alluded to in a previous video, the stopcock in this toilet is really rubbish. When you flush the toilet, only a tiny little dribble of water comes out, and consequently it takes a very long time to fill up the cistern. So Rach and I went to B&Q yesterday to get some other stuff, and we thought we would take a chance and see if we can replace the stopcock. I actually don't have any idea if this is going to work, but looking at the fitting on the bottom there, looks to be the same size as the existing one, so I think we have a pretty good chance of this working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate the water and then drain the tank, and then we'll take it out and see if we can replace it. Okay, that doesn't seem to be running. So now what we need to do is try and disconnect the stopcock at the bottom and pull it out. Right, so most probably it's going to leak a bit, so I'm going to try and capture as much of it as possible in this tin, but I'm sure a bit of it is going to leak on the floor. I have put a towel down, but quite honestly this floor is so damaged by water anyway, I don't think it's really going to make that much difference. Unfortunately, I've misplaced my large shifting spanner. I don't know where it's gone, so I only have this shitty one. Not much use to man or beast. I should get some sockets. At the very least, I should get a shifting spanner. Oh, look, there we go. So, there we go. Oh, that was not expected. Ah, there we go. Gotcha. Take this off. Cool. Alright, stopcock is out. Not sure how old this is. It's probably not all that old, to be honest. Possibly it would be repairable if you opened up this bit and maybe changed the washer inside. But much easier just to put in a brand new one. Right, so this is the part where we hopefully don't discover that we've bought the wrong thing. Because at the moment, we have no toilet at all. This is a much better design. As you can see, it's got a brass screw on the bottom instead of a plastic one. And it also comes with a washer, which the other one didn't. Okay, so the instructions are completely useless. They really don't help much at all, but I have discovered that if you pull this little grey thing down and you twist this, you can then pull this up. So then we can get this to pretty much the same height as the other one was. Okay, so now we can place this in. So we have a washer and then this brass screw. Very difficult to get in here. I don't think it's going to go much more than that. Right, now we can fit the water. This is really the most ratchet way of doing up bolts. So I do realise that this is very ratchet. So don't at me in the comments, please. I know that I could do better. Okay, let's turn on the water and see if it leaks. Seems good at the moment. It's nice and quiet. Okay, so I think that is all working. Let's just put the lid back on. Right, moment of truth. Alright, well that's a good job done. No more auxiliary bucket needed. That's good. Just going to leave this little tray down here for a while just to check that there's no drips, but I haven't seen any so far. So yeah, job done.